Good morning, Ma. You're welcome to Afovic School of Technology. I'm Sunday by name.
Morning, sir. My name is Florence. I'm here to inquire about your admission on advanced certificate courses.
You're absolutely welcome, Miss Florence. Afovic School of Technology invites applications into these certificate courses. 1. ANTC Advanced National Technical Certificate in Computer Craft Studies, Shipbuilding Craft Practice, Marine Engineering Craft, Mechanical Engineering Craft Practice, Plumbing and Pipe Fitting, Carpentry and Joinery, Painting and Decoration, Draftsmanship Craft Practice, Block Laying/Bricklaying, etc. 2. ANBC Advanced National Business Certificate in Bookkeeping/Financial Accounting, Secretariat Duties and Salesmanship. 3. Advanced General Education Subjects. And the examination to receive the certificates is originated and approved by NABTEB. The advanced certificate is available for you to get admission to 200 level in any Nigerian universities and to enroll with NTC, NBC, NICO, GCE, and SSC/WEC results, etc. Waiting result is also accepted for enrollment. The course duration is 10 months. The school looks for merit in all ramifications. Recognized professional certificate is quick access to gain employment when attached with your credentials.
Wow. This is mind-blowing. I've been waiting for this opportunity in the past few years. I'm so happy. I can now believe we have reputable and standard institutions contributing immensely to the development of this country. Where and how do I obtain the admission form?
Thank you, Miss Florence. We are honored. Interested candidates should apply online through our website, www.afotech.mg. You can also apply in our address location at Afovic School of Technology, Afovic Ventures Office, kilometers 3, NABTEB compound, along Abiyakuta/Ibadan Road, beside Konoil Petrol Station, Oron-Toko, Abiyakuta, Ogun State. For further details, call the following numbers: 08107487318 or 0705569991. Interested candidates should apply online through our website, www.afotech.mg. You can also apply in our office at Afovic School of Technology, Afovic Ventures Office, kilometers 3, NABTEB compound, along Abiyakuta/Ibadan Road, beside Konoil Petrol Station, Oron-Toko, Abiyakuta, Ogun State. For further details, call the following numbers: 08107487318, 07055699310. Announcer, Management.